2021 is less than 24 hours of being over, and it is by far one of the most record-setting years for the United States. Coming up in this video, we're going to be going back into 2021, taking a look at the most memorable events that happened this year, and then, unfortunately, the trend does not stop there. As we start off the brand new year, we have yet another chance for severe weather. Absolutely incredible if you think about it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the last and final video of 2021. Wow, what a year this has been. In this video, we're going to be taking a look. We're going to be going back into 2021 and taking a look at the most memorable events that happened this year. First off, we have the third most active hurricane season on record with over 20 different storms getting named, including one major Category 4 hurricane that underwent extreme rapid intensification the night before making landfall as a major Category 4 hurricane in southeastern Louisiana. This was Hurricane Ida that started off as a Category 1 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 90 miles an hour, then underwent rapid intensification overnight and strengthened up to a major Category 4, almost Category 5 hurricane with wind speeds of 150 miles per hour. Insane when you think about it. It brought extremely devastating conditions to the coastlines of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and then traveled all the way to the northeastern United States and brought extremely deadly flooding to places like New York City. Absolutely insane when you think about it. As we headed into this month, we had one of the worst and deadliest tornado outbreaks in United States history. Our first named winter storm was Winter Storm Atticus, and not only did it bring several feet of snow to the Four Corners region and also the northern plains in the United States, it also brought extreme severe weather to the states including Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri, and Illinois. One of the worst tornado outbreaks that happened, one of the worst tornadoes that touched down during this outbreak was the Mayfield, Kentucky tornado. That was an EF4 tornado that had wind speeds of 190 miles per hour. This storm was said to be on the ground for more than 200 miles, starting out in northeastern Arkansas, going throughout northwestern Tennessee, all the way throughout the state of Kentucky, and then eventually finishing off at around midnight in southwestern Ohio. One of the worst locations that was impacted by this system was Mayfield, Kentucky. Here's a look at just one of the images showing you the absolute destruction that tornado brought to this area. Just absolutely devastating to think that a tornado of this size could happen in the middle of December, 2 weeks before the biggest holiday of the year. Absolutely devastating. And unfortunately, the trend did not stop there. Less than 2 days after that, we had yet another severe weather outbreak that happened with our second named winter storm, which was Winter Storm Bankston, and brought several extreme strong wind gusts to places like Colorado. As you can see right here, there was a reported wind gust of 100 miles per hour at the Air Force Academy just to the north of Colorado Springs, and then it went on to bring extremely strong and dangerous storms to places like the Northern Plains and interior Great Lakes. Absolutely devastating. And unfortunately, the trend for severe weather does not stop there. As we head into tonight, we have yet another chance for severe weather anywhere in this area that is highlighted in yellow and also dark green. We're talking about northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, central Arkansas, and also western portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. We have about a 2 to 5% chance of seeing a tornado as we head throughout our night tonight. About a 5 to 15% chance of seeing a damaging wind gust, and unfortunately, we do have about a 5 to 15% chance of seeing some hail. And by the look of things, it's showing that it is not stopped there. As we head into the first day of 2021, we not only have a slight risk for severe weather, but we also have an enhanced risk for severe weather. And what I mean by enhanced risk is about a 5 to 10% chance of seeing a tornado, a much better shot of seeing damaging winds, and also a much better shot of seeing some hail. So with that being said, if you live in central and northern portions of Mississippi and Alabama, eastern Arkansas, extreme southern Kentucky, and also western and central portions of Tennessee, you need to be on very high alert as we head into tomorrow, because we could be looking at another chance for damaging storms. Now, one of the main things when it comes to making severe weather happen is CAPE. And what I mean by CAPE is CAPE stands for Convective Available Potential Energy, and this is basically showing us where the most available storm potential is in the atmosphere. Really, all this energy is what makes thunderstorms happen in the atmosphere. Anywhere we see these darker colors, that is indicating a lot more energy in the atmosphere that could make severe weather happen. So as you can see, as we head into this afternoon tonight, anywhere in central and northern Mississippi, into northern Alabama, and also extreme western portions of Tennessee, the cave is going to be off the charts, indicating there is plenty of energy in the atmosphere to make thunderstorms happen. And unfortunately, it only gets worse as we head into our day tomorrow, with the Cape being off the charts anywhere from northeastern Texas all the way into Arkansas, and also into portions of Tennessee and Kentucky. Just devastating to think we could be looking at another devastating tornado outbreak happening the first day in 2021. Now, let's go ahead and plan out your New Year's plans as we head throughout the night tonight into our day tomorrow, and also taking a look at the first full week of the brand new year. So, here's our system going into our day tomorrow. Once again, anywhere into northeastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, and also southwestern Kentucky is going to be the best chance for severe weather, which is just honestly very hard to think about, considering that is the exact track that the Mayfield tornado took. As you head into January 2nd, the second of the year, that system goes all the way into the northeast, bringing widespread rain to the whole entire eastern seaboard, and also a bit of a wintry mix and snow action to places like the Ohio Valley, and also into places like the Great Lakes. And unfortunately, the trend does not stop there. As we head into the first Monday of the brand new year, a brand new surface low develops over the Carolinas and brings extremely heavy rain to the eastern Carolinas, and also quite a bit of snow to the higher elevations there in North Carolina. And then thankfully, as we head into the later parts of the week, we have two different areas of high pressure forming. One of them over the Four Corners region, and then also one over the Mid-Atlantic, and that will make for much better conditions as we head into the end of the first full week of 2021. Here's your 10-day forecast for areas along the Grand Strand. Tonight is New Year's Eve. Tomorrow we bring in the new year. Our best chance of rain is going to be on Sunday, and then thankfully the weather is perfect for the rest of the week. Temperatures starting out in the low to mid 50s at the start of the week, and then thankfully we will be warming up to the low to mid 60s as we head into the end of the week with no rain at all. Your 10-day forecast for inland areas. Tonight we bring in the new year, and we say hello to it as we head into tomorrow. Our best chance of rain comes Sunday as that brand new surface low develops. We will see quite a big temperature drop as we head into Monday, but thankfully our temperatures will warm up as we get towards Wednesday and Thursday of next week, with temperatures warming up into the low to mid 60s with not a single drop of rain in sight. Alrighty, so that is going to be it for 2021. If the severe weather, if the threat gets too bad tonight, I will go live on YouTube and do live coverage of that. But if it does not get to that point, I will see you next year. I really do hope that you have had a great year, and I look forward to another great year in 2022.